Cats and dogs have been domesticated for thousands of years, yet their differences continue to intrigue us. Cats are known for their independence, while dogs are celebrated for their loyalty. Cats evolved from solitary hunters, which explains their independent nature and predatory instincts. Dogs, however, descended from pack animals, making them social creatures that thrive on companionship and teamwork. Cats communicate through body language, subtle cues, and sounds like purring. Dogs, in contrast, use barking, tail wagging, and physical gestures to express their emotions and needs, making them more expressive. Cats are independent and nocturnal, reflecting their hunting instincts. They enjoy stalking and pouncing. Dogs, as pack animals, rely on social cues and hierarchy, thriving on interaction and regular exercise. Training cats can be challenging due to their independence, though they can learn basic commands. Dogs excel in obedience training, responding well to positive reinforcement, and eager to please their owners. The differences between cats and dogs arise from their evolutionary history, communication styles, and training preferences. Despite these differences, both bring joy and companionship, enriching our lives in unique ways.